Alright, Flower Mechanic here, and just wanted to do a quick video on 3 free ways to make your air conditioner colder. Or actually 2 free ways. The third way is very cheap and relatively easy to do. So, first way may seem pretty obvious to some people, but as a mechanic over the years, I've been very surprised as to how many people weren't aware of this. And on some of the newer vehicles it does it automatically, but on this vehicle, as you'll see, it does not. But basically, when you turn your air conditioning on, obviously you're going to want to put it on high, but you have a choice here between recirculation and sucking air from the exterior. So if you want your air as cold as possible, you're going to want to put it on this recirculation button, and what it's going to do is it's sucking the air from inside the vehicle and it's conditioning that air, versus sucking the air from the hot air from outside and trying to cool it. You'll be sucking the cooler air from the inside and recooling it. So you're going to get much colder AC by making sure you have the recirculation button pushed when you have your air conditioner on in your vehicle. If you're sucking it from outside, like I said, you're just going to be heating that hot air. If you're going to be cooling that hot air. If you're sucking from inside, you're going to be cooling air that's already been cooled, so it'll be much colder. The second way, go underneath the hood here. Go ahead and shut it off. This one got the engine noise. And in order for your AC to work optimally, you have your radiator here, and in front of the radiator you actually have the condenser. And I don't know if you guys can see that there. Yeah, you can see it there. That's actually, it's similar to a radiator, and this is actually what condenses the air conditioning for it to work properly. Sometimes these fins can get plugged up with road debris, bugs, or even if you have any kind of leaks. You can see down the bottom, this one's actually starting to get a little plugged. But what you can do is just some degreaser, soap and water, spray that out real good, and even if you can access it with a brush, if you can get that condenser cleaned up nice and good so you got good airflow over that, your air conditioner is going to blow much colder, and that's something you can also do for free. The third way, it's not free but it's very inexpensive, is to make sure that your cabin air filter in your vehicle, which is located in the glove box typically, and this one here, you can see the label. It actually tells us to change this every 12 months. On a lot of these, there's two tabs on the side of the glove box, and it just folds down and you can access that filter relatively easily. On this one, the actual glove box has to be removed, or I would show you guys the filter. But there you have it. 3 quick, easy ways to make your air conditioner colder. Thanks for watching, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't know about the recirculation button, comment below, just so we can kind of I'd like to get a tally on that, because I've been very surprised at how many customers I talked to that didn't know about it.